Hey guys, welcome back to Crummy Crafts. I'm Allie. Thanks for crafting with me today. So today we are gonna make these awesome DIY New York Islanders nails. How sick is this? Check that out. Boom. Boom. So as you know in my last video, I said I'm from Long Island and I am a Jets fan, a Mets fan, and an Islanders fan. So you can imagine how excited I am that we are in the semifinals of the Stanley Cup. I mean, what? So let's get ready to rep our Islanders and I'll show you how to do this DIY nail art. So to make this nail art, you're going to need a Cricut, a LightGrip mat, removable premium vinyl, a toothpick, and some nail polish. We are polishing our nails with New York Islanders colors, so we are going to use blue, orange, and some glitter. The white is going to come from our premium vinyl. So today I'm going to be using this New York Islanders logo, and essentially what I want to do is upload the logo into Cricut Design Space, and I want to remove everything that's not white. So I'm removing the background and the orange stripes just by clicking on it. And you'll also want to make sure to remove that logo on the bottom right corner. I'll also link this logo down in the description so you can download it for yourself. Then you'll hit continue and press cut image. That'll bring this design into our gallery so we can press it and upload it onto our design space. So once I had my logo in the design space, I basically just shrunk it down to the size of my thumb. And then what I did was I duplicated it so I can have it on both thumbs, and then I duplicated it again twice more and made it smaller so that it would fit on my ring finger on both hands. Once my design was ready, I click Make It, which will take me to the print setup page to initiate the cut. So then I just wanted to make sure that the design was placed accordingly with my vinyl on my mat. And then once my design was where I wanted it to be placed, I hit continue. And then I selected premium vinyl, which is the vinyl that I'll be using for this nail art. And once we have our design ready, we are gonna load our mat into the Cricut and we're gonna let it cut away. While our Cricut is cutting, we're gonna make sure that our nails are filed down and ready to be polished. And then we're gonna take our blue and only polish our thumb. And when our Cricut is done cutting, we're gonna unload our mat and we'll use our weeding tool to weed out the New York Islanders logo. Using our weeding tool, we're gonna carefully apply the vinyl onto our thumb that we polished blue. And once your vinyl is placed correctly on the nail, just make sure to push it down just to make sure it sticks to the nail. And now that our vinyl is on our nail, we need our orange nail polish and our toothpick. We're gonna add those 3 little orange stripes onto the logo as shown before. Just dab the end of the toothpick into the nail polish, and then I just carefully try to fill in those 3 little lines on my thumb. I waited for my nail to dry and then I added some top coat onto my thumb just to help the vinyl to stick and stay for a longer duration. Once that was done, I basically polished the rest of my nails in alternating colors of blue and orange. I love glitter, so I added glitter top coat onto my thumb where the logo was, just because everything looks better with glitter, am I right? The next step is to add the vinyl onto our other thumb and repeat the process. Once our thumbs are done and glitterified, we're gonna add the vinyl onto our ring fingers now. And then because the background is orange, we're actually gonna use the blue nail polish to fill in those 3 stripes at the bottom of the logo. And then you're just gonna do the same thing on the other hand. And don't forget the glitter. So then I decided to add the glitter to every single nail and applied some top coat, and voila! Your DIY New York Islanders nail art is completed. How awesome does that look? So there you have it, guys. Now you're all ready to rep the Islanders. I hope you have fun watching the series and watching the Islanders take down Tampa. Thanks so much, guys, for crafting with me today. I hope you had fun making this DIY nail art. Remember, keep it crafty. Let's go Islanders!